Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hershebeauty, back again with another video. Before we start, let's go ahead and click that subscribe button. Support your girl. I would absolutely appreciate it. As you can see in the title, I am doing an unboxing today. I recently made a little birthday purchase. My birthday's coming up in about 2 weeks, May 24th. Yes, your girl is a Gemini. Shout out to my Geminis. Shout out to my May babies. How y'all doing? If you are a Gemini or if you're born in the month of May, please comment down below what day your birthday falls on. Today I'm unboxing some items that I purchased from a company named Fashion Drug. Okay, this company is the bomb. So I found it on Instagram actually through, I think it was Jayla Corian. She's another YouTuber influencer. If you don't already know her or don't already follow her, go ahead and follow her and subscribe to her channel right after this video. She's really dope, really fun and cool girl. I saw she wore a piece from them before. And I think I've seen them on a couple of other girls. I've seen some of their items on a couple of other influencers that I do follow or I've seen on Instagram and stuff like that. And their pieces are really nice. And I've been following them for quite some time now actually. But this is my first purchase. I think it's a really dope company. They have amazing bags, really good quality. So I'm gonna just tell you my experience with the brand. I ordered my items on April 29th. They're just getting in today, today is May 10th, right? Yes, it's May 10th. And I am super excited. I'm so excited to get my items and see how they look in person. I just want to give you guys a little bit of a backstory on the company and the founder, so you can, you know, get a little feel of who they are. So I do have the website pulled up. So if you see me looking that way, you know why. Fashion Drug was founded in 2014 by 22-year-old fashionista Denise Verhappen. I think that's how you say it. I don't want to butcher. If I butcher your name, girl, I am so sorry. It launched in 2015. It is 2019 and she is doing very well, it seems. Her brand has really blown up in the last couple of years. You can tell how much work her and her team put into this company, and I really do admire that about this girl. She's really young. She's really beautiful, real beautiful young lady. And the company is based out of the Netherlands. For the items to have come from the Netherlands, I feel like the shipping was pretty decent. It definitely was well worth the wait. I'm super excited to open my package with you guys. What I do love about Fashion Drug is that they're inspired by high fashion pieces and high fashion style. You know, the looks that we all see every day on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. But you're only paying a fraction of the price, which works for me. For the everyday fashionista who can't spend 2 G's, she can't spend those 2 G's and stuff on no bag, okay? On just any item, just any one item. So this was right up my alley. I was super excited to be able to finally get my hands on a couple of the pieces that they offer. I'll link all of the information on Fashion Drug in the description bar below. So please do not forget to check that out because there's a lot of valuable information in there, okay? Fashion Drug's bags are made of high quality leather or high quality vegan leather. If if you're vegan and you're worried about that, they have items for you as well. I've seen a couple of other influencers actually rocking Fashion Drug's pieces and they look amazing. All of these girls killed every last one of these looks. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to this unboxing, okay? This is the box my package came in. Not that big, I only got two items anyway, so I'm not gonna show the front of the box because it has all of my information. Go ahead and open it, and the first thing you do see is a cute little card saying Fashion Drug, addicted to fashion on one side, and then the other side says, thank you for shopping at Fashion Drug. Enjoy your items, XOXO Team Fashion Drug. And it looks like the bags are the bags do come with like a dust bag, so to keep your items safe and dust free, which I think is really cute. Oh, it's so cute. It comes with a little bow tie too. Oh, that's so cute. The first item that I did purchase was the faux fur leopard bag, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. So you can use it as a top handle bag like this, and the chain does extend to be able to wear it as a crossbody bag. So yeah, you can use it as a crossbody bag or a top handle bag, which is really cute. And the reason I got this bag was, for one, my late grandmother, my grandma Gail, she loved leopard print, cheetah print. Like, she was into the animal print. And my family, like me and my sisters and my mom, we just absolutely love leopard print and animal print. You get a lot of things in these prints in loving memory of our grandmother. So this kind of means a lot to me. This, oh gosh. Oh Lord. Can't cry. This particular purchase just means a lot for me, because leopard print and cheetah print is just my way of keeping my late grandmother alive. I just know that this is an item that my grandma Gail would have absolutely loved, and it's just my ode to her, and just a symbol of how much I just really love and really miss her. Thank you, Fashion Drug, for having this very beautiful, awesome piece. I will be rocking this with so much pride and love in my heart. Let's move on to the next piece, okay? The next bag that I got was probably, was way more excited about this particular one because it's one of their classic styles. For me, it's a staple piece. For you girls who love Chanel bags, if you love Chanel, you're gonna love this bag. This next bag was inspired by, or is inspired by, the classic Chanel quilted handbag. And so because she can't pay no $5,000 for a bag, she got this one. So you get the same style. And this is the bag. It's just so cute and classic. It's their classic jumbo bag in black with the black and gold details. Looks like this is really cute. The front, and this is the back. Super roomy. So this is how it looks on the inside. If you can see that, it's just 2 compartments and a zipper in the middle, and then a little small zipper in the back. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Oh, and it has a little, I don't know if you can see that, guys. There's a little piece right here where I guess you can stick your phone or maybe some lip gloss. It might be too small for a phone, but you can stick like little items, cards and stuff like that in there. Definitely feels like some really good quality and sturdy, which I like. The bags are very affordable. This one was very affordable, and I even caught them I even caught these pieces on sale. They usually always have a sale. Just, you know, check their Instagram and see what's going on. I think they are having a Mother's Day sale now. Yeah, it's Mother's Day weekend, guys. So I'm gonna try to get this video up as fast as I can. They are having a Mother's Day sale. They're having 15% off store wide. Just use the code LOVEMOM. I have no affiliation with the company whatsoever, so I don't get paid for any of that. I just want to pass on the savings to you, you know, so you can get you a couple of bags. I can treat yourself for Mother's Day, or maybe treat your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your cousin to a really nice handbag. They also have like clothing pieces and accessories and things like that if you want to check that out as well. But today I only have 2 bags. I'm probably gonna go back and get me something else for my birthday. This was just a birthday present to myself. Can't wait to wear this stuff out. Also, I want to let you guys know that this came in the box as well. But they do also have giveaways all the time. They have Sunday giveaways. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, they have Sunday giveaways. Just simply leave a comment on our recent Instagram post to enter the giveaway. The more you comment, the greater your chances of winning. Every Sunday, we will announce the winner of the week. Always go onto their Instagram and interact with them for a chance to win their giveaway. I will say that they are super active on Instagram. They interact very frequently and daily with all of their audience, all of their followers, which I do love, because sometimes brand can forget the people who support them, and not acknowledging them kind of distance the company from their supporters and their fans and followers and the people that love them. I can really appreciate that Denise and her team are really about their following and really enjoy interacting with them. So I could definitely rock with that. Customer service is really top notch. I had like a minor issue with payment. I was charged more than what I had actually paid, which I wasn't sure why that was, but I did go ahead and contact them. They do have a contact us section on their website. And so I went ahead and contacted them, emailed them, and let them know the small issue that I was having. And they were super, super nice and very accommodating and fixed the problem right away. Like, I emailed them one day and I think they got back to me the very next day, if not maybe 2 days, but I don't even think it was that long. So their customer service is definitely A1. And the fact that they have really good customer service and they interact with their fan base, their following, really says a lot about the company, and it makes me feel even more comfortable with supporting them and purchasing their items. And yeah, that's that. So I got 2 bags. These are, again, this is the faux fur leopard print bag, and this is the front. I don't think I even showed you guys the inside. So, and this is the back. Really, really cute little crossbody bag for a cute casual day out. This is the inside. So it does have like, oh, it smells good. I love the smell of new bags. But it has leather inside, and it does have a small zipper. This is that bag. And then, of course, my favorite, the classic jumbo bag in black. That's that, guys. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know if you want me to do any more, and I'll get those videos out to you ASAP. Comment down below, let me know what other videos you want to see from me, because I do want to do content that you guys enjoy and want to see. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. I'll have everything linked down below in the description bar. Yeah, that's it, guys. So you guys have a lovely, wonderful Mother's Day. Treat all the lovely women in your life this weekend to make them feel special, and tell your moms you love her, and because you only get one. And you know what? Somebody can't say that to their mom. You know, don't wait until it's too late. You know, life is too short. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, the soon-to-be moms. Cheers to you, okay? Until the next video, guys, take care, and I love you. Bye.